Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So I think we can start now. Okay, I can see everyone has joined. So welcome to this applicant screening for training courses and internship at Dlytica. Um, so I saw that you had filled the form here, right? For this training course, internship, or maybe some queries regarding this training course, internship, what is it about? And also, you wanted to know the details of company or what it is like. Is it a training company or is it an IT company? Things like that, right? So we also had a talk on a phone. So just thought of keeping everyone in the call so that I can explain you how we do this training course and internship at Delightica. Okay. I'll be also sharing information updates on the next training batches and everything in detail from the screening. Okay, and we'll also be sending you email after this screening where you'll also find details. Uh, and also, if you have any question, then you can just let me know from chat or you can just ask me. Okay, so we are basically here for, solving your queries. And also, if you want more expertise help on all these, content regarding things and the expertise field things like technical things, also we are there to help you. Okay, so we can provide you with the expertise team as well, because we have also seen that you have during the form you have also filled many expectations, right? What are your expectations and all? So yeah, so we can solve them. Okay. Uh, so firstly, I'll just quickly share my screen with you. Um, so I think you can see my screen, right? Okay. So firstly, I just want to give you the background of our company, Delightica. So maybe you have already went through our website and have already done some research or got to know about Delightica, right? So talking about Delightica, it's an IT company, okay? It's a software company, and it is an IT company from Canada where you can see what are its products, services, clients, and everything from here. So you can basically find everything in here. And we are also here at Nepal, okay? Our office is at Naxal. So some of you were asking about the office as well, right? So the main thing that has dragged everyone here, from the form and you had filled the form for data analytics, data science, data engineering is from our academy side, okay? So if you go to this Delightica page and you go to this academy page, then you will just find Delightica Academy. Okay, so I'll just give you overview of everything, whatever there is. Maybe you have already visited this place as well, but still you might have some questions, right? Like how the training happens, what is the time lapse, and what are the maybe pricing structure or who are the instructors, on how this session goes, right? So all these queries I'll be giving you the information. Okay, so basically Delightica Academy is an IT company, right? Delightica is an IT company. It's not a training institution, but we have Delightica Academy where it is providing you with the training-based internship opportunities as well, when you can do training from here. Okay, so Delightica is pioneering practical data and AI education from IT industry experts. So I'll be also giving you information on the IT industry expert teams, okay, our team members and everything. So as I got to talk with you, you had like few questions on um, how I can get, internship opportunities or maybe even job opportunities, right? So you had like different backgrounds. So you, some of you are recently studying bachelor's, some of you are have already passed bachelor's, right? Some of you are even working, right? Full-time working, but also want to upscale the skills, maybe get the experience, right? Internship opportunities. So yeah, those are your scenarios that I had like when I had like a talk with you, right? So basically, Dlytica Academy, you can just check this video as well. So here we have who is this Dlytica Academy for. So if you are individual seeking to enter in the field of data science, data analytics, or data engineering, students studying IT field and want to upscale their career in data, cloud, and AI domain, individuals searching for data, cloud, and AI internship, real-time IT project from IT company with three different global offices, USA, Canada, and Nepal. So a lot of people who wants to upscale their career in data, right, can go for the expertise courses, and you can also check what you can learn, what you can get skills, right? So some of you are maybe planning to switch your careers, right? Some of you are planning to switch your professional pathways, right? So all these things also require experiences, right? Maybe internship opportunities can help you with that, right? So we have like students, who are doing their college and who wants to do internship, which is in their college requirement, right? That is why also we have, attached internship opportunities. Okay. So basically, I just want to show you one roadmap, okay, of Delightica Academy, where there is training, certification, internship, projects, job, right? So basically, Delightica Academy is also trying to gain a pool of resource who are trained and certified, okay, so that we can even take them to this job scenario as well. So a lot of you were asking, after this training course, certification, experience, internship opportunities, what next is obviously you'll go for the job scenario, right? So for that also, we can help you with, maybe you can give interviews for our openings, right? So we have already invested time in providing you with this training, right? Giving you the certification, enrolling you in the internship opportunity, right? So if you can, it also depends on the candidate if he or she can crack the interview, right? So that will also lead them to in-house Delightica job. Okay. So basically this is the roadmap, okay, and also a lot of you might have that if you want to go abroad for your studies, and how that can help me with this certification that I will be doing with Delightica is you will be getting the Canadian experience, which will help you with gaining the Canadian experience certificate, so that you'll be getting your field job in the foreign market as well. So you know how the industry works, right? You need to be trained, you need to be certified, and also the experience, like let's say 3 months, 4 month experience also plays good role and add values to your CV, right? So this is what is the roadmap of Delightica Academy. Okay. So talking about the expert team. So yeah, you in this training course and internship, you will be guided with your trainers, okay, your instructors who will be guiding you throughout this journey, and we have few more others instructors, okay. So they will be guiding you throughout this journey, and you will be, getting their guidance and their course contents, and how they will teach you with this skills hands-on, the live sessions, right? So you can also interact with them since it's a live session, and you can ask your queries. And some of you, if you are confused on what field you want to go, like you want to go in data science or data engineering or data analytics, so you can also ask your instructors. They can help you with that, okay? Because they will be evaluating your training, right? They will be seeing your first week or first month of training, and they can give you the best guidance, like what you are good on, right? So that is how also the instructor will help you with providing the decision of what course or what field you can choose. Okay. So next thing is how the training goes, right? Is the main question here. So now we have live session, okay? So our instructor will be giving you the in-person training, and it is not a recorded training, okay? But somehow if you miss the classes, there will be recordings, and you'll be getting your IDs and everything, so you can go and check the recordings and everything if you miss the class, okay? So in every batch we have students, limited students, okay? So for those limited students we have limited seats, right? So that is how we run the batches. So in every batch we have like 8 to 10 students, okay, doing this training course and internship with Dlytica. um so that is also why we do this pre-screening and everything, okay, to see like what your interest is on and how you want to do this training, okay. So talking about the time flexibility, it is very flexible, okay. So let me, okay. So talking about time flexibility, if you are doing your full-time job or if you are a student who is doing their college, then we have different modes of time, okay, either in evening or morning. So right now, so we are running 2 or 3 batches parallelly where we are also doing the evening sessions, okay. So in a week, there will be 2 classes of 1.5 hours each, okay? So you'll be attending 1.5 hour class. Let's say if your class is on Monday, then your other class will be on Wednesday, okay? So that is how 2 classes in a week will be going. And there will be either the class will be in evening or in morning, so you can also let us know your flexible timing so that we can manage, time slots and everything for you. Okay. So yeah, so basically it's an online classes. So if you are anywhere or if you are traveling or if you have plans to go abroad or travel, then you can also join this, right? So we don't only have students from Nepal, we have students from global places, okay, doing this training since it's very flexible, right? So only you need to manage is the time zone and everything, and which we I think it will be quite suitable, if you are doing the evening sessions also, or if you want to do the morning sessions also, so we can manage that for you, okay. So that is about the training, okay. And next thing is finding the right online course for you. So maybe you have already seen these data analytics, data science, and data engineering, and you have already enrolled from here, right? That's why we had got your forms and everything. So for the contents, which a lot of you were asking, what do I get to learn, right? So for that, you can basically visit the syllabus section. Okay, so this is a roadmap, and we also have a syllabus over here, so you can basically see what you'll get to learn and everything from this course contents, okay. So similarly you can see for data science and data engineering, okay. So the course content, roadmap, curriculums, everything is there, okay. You can also visit the syllabus section and you can see also match it. Like a lot of you were asking, these are the things that I really want to learn, and you can match it with the content syllabus and everything from here. Okay. So next thing is our in the student testimonials in the website. So you can also check the student reviews, the students or candidates or the people who has done the professional or foundational courses with us. So what they have to say about this overall training course and internship. So you can check their reviews and what backgrounds they are from, and from the review section. Okay. So if you want to know the reviews on data science, data engineering. So they have specialized in some fields, so you can just go and check that out, okay, from the students' review and testimonials. So next thing is the pricing section where we have two pathways, which is foundational basic data and AI training, and another is professional advanced training plus internship. So a lot of you were asking me about these two roadmaps, like what foundational is and what professional is about. So foundation is a basic data and AI training of 1 month. Okay, so it will be a 1 month training, and another is professional advanced training, which also includes internship, which you will get to do it with the Dlytica, which will be a 4 months. Okay, so you or else you can just go with the foundation and also upgrade your package to professional course plan. So yeah, but if you are going with the professional course plan, you'll be also getting the internship opportunities, which is guaranteed. Okay, because a lot of you were asking me, is the internship guaranteed or not, or will I get to do internship or not, right? So yeah, so if you go with this plan, then there is internship as well. So about the pricing, I'll also be sharing the pricing with you, okay? Um, in this same screening, and also I'll be sending you emails after the screening. So next thing is refer and earn. So a lot of you can refer it to your friends or family who wants to do this training course and internship and get some referrals or discount as well. Okay. So yeah, at the end there are some FAQs regarding this Dlytica Academy. You can just check that out, and yeah, that ends the website. So yeah, you can also after the screening, you can just basically go and check the details, or you can also check company profile. You can go and check the LinkedIn profiles, right? So you can do your research on that, okay? And also mainly you can go and check the course content, curriculums, modules, everything, so that it can match with what you are exactly looking. Yeah. So next thing is I will be sharing you the price, okay, for the foundational and professional course plan, which is right now also in discount phase, okay. So we have a discount running as well right now. So one of the important update is that you were asking me when is the next batch starting, right?